الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد صدق الله العظيم.
Welcome from Pakistan. Hello. Are you hearing us from Pakistan?
Good morning, Pakistan.
Good morning. Now let's begin the program formally.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and very good morning to all the participants both in Pakistan as well as in India on this first video conference between the Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Pakistan and the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The world today is increasingly becoming the global village, and the regional borders are no more barriers for those who want to share and exchange the knowledge, values, and economics just because of the existence of advanced technology. And this continuous innovation in the domain of IT provides us with an ample opportunity of imparting the knowledge and information among the countries without taking hassle and burden from moving one to another territory, and in highly efficient and collaborative manner. And this conference between ICMAP and ICAI is an excellent initiative of gaining the knowledge and insights from the learned intellectual resources of both the countries. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Khalid Mahmood, the Chairman CPD and Seminar Committee, Karachi Branch Council, ICMAP, and now I turn the rest of session to ICI. Over to India.
Thank you very much. Brothers and sisters and friends from Pakistan and India, as you heard, this was a grand initiative, and we thank the IT development for this bonded harmony. And I am CMA TCS Srinivasa Prasad, welcome you from India, and I am very happy to welcome all of you from Pakistan, President, Vice President, the speakers. And from our side, we have CMA M. Gopalakrishnan, President of the Institute. We have Mr. Rakesh Singh, President of the Institute. We have Mr. B.B. Goyal from the Government of India. We have Mr. Dr. Ashish Bhattacharya, and we have our council member CMA Sanjay Gupta. I welcome you all, and it's my proud privilege to hand over the stage to Mr. Sanjay Gupta. Sanjay Gupta, please.
And a very warm welcome to the first ever video conference on management accounting. India and Pakistan have a long history of profession of cost and management accounting. In fact, both the institutes in India and Pakistan were started by the same person, Mr. Shoaib, in 1994. After that, our institute got recognition in the shape of the Act of Parliaments. Since 1959, when Institute of Cost Accountants of India, earlier known as Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, we have come a long way. Through the various international forums like IFAC, CAPA and SAFA, both the countries have been interacting and sharing the relevant activities in both the countries, which have the long-term impact on the profession. Inspired by the media initiatives of Aman Ki Asha, Both the institutes have decided to forge ahead professionally and tie up in a manner having profound relationship to the technology. Professionals will have a new platform to interact in the shape of video conference, to share the respective domain knowledge. Technology being the facilitator, I am sure we will have a long-lasting contribution to the profession. Now I request the Mr. Prasad to please welcome our Honorable President by presenting him in our bouquet, Shri Gopalakrishnan. Now I request Prasad ji to please welcome Shri B.B. Goyal ji, Advisor Fox. Now I request Mr. Prasad to welcome Mr. Ashish Bhattacharya, Advisor Advanced Studies. Now I request him to please welcome our Vice President, Mr. Rakesh Singh. Now I request our President, Mr. M. Gopalakrishnan ji, to give a welcome address. Mr. M. Gopalakrishnan is a practicing cost accountant and a very well-known figure in our fraternity. And he has more than 3 decades of experience with him. And he is a current president, elected president for the year 11 and 12, and held various important positions, has contributed. And today, whatever the institute is going to the new heights, he is one of the pillars behind that. I invite him.
Good morning to friends from Pakistan and the colleagues from India. President ICMAP, Mr. Syed Amanullah Khan, the speaker from ICMAP, Mr. Muhammad Hanif Azari, my good friend with whom I have been interacting both at Dhaka as well as at Colombo to finalize this program. Our colleagues from India, my Vice President Mr. Rakesh, Mr. B.B. Goyal, Advisor Cost, Government of India, Cost Audit Branch, Dr. Ashish Bhattacharya, Chairman of the Board of Advanced Studies and Advisor Advanced Studies Corporate Institute, my colleagues in the Council, Mr. TCA, CMA, Srinivasa Prasad, and CMA Sanjay Gupta, members, friends, and participants for this first ever video conference between ICMAP and ICAI on the topic Management Accounting Trends in Subcontinental Countries. It is, as rightly pointed out by the speaker from ICMAP as well as the speakers from India, this is a landmark event where the information technology has bridged the 2 countries. And in the current era, the globe is becoming a borderless world. As far as India and Pakistan are concerned, many such initiatives have been attempted where we have been frequently interacting by participating in the conferences which are held both at